18 Hunters Point Avenue to Montauk. Are you for real? You could have just... Bruh. Man, after all that heavy rain, all good and sunny. '80 Long Island City Patchogue with 506. It's good to see sunny after that heavy rain this morning. Though I wasn't really planning on rail fanning, but why not? Cause the heavy rain stopped. Yeah, there was heavy rain this morning, too heavy. I even heard train 60 from Babylon and Patchogue with its full weight. I was close to seeing it, but the buildings were blocking. And yeah, there was a lot of dark clouds. Yeah, I can record while biking. Not for the horn, because it's gonna make me fall off. It's kind of good. I'm just going home. Yeah, I don't really feel like seeing any other train signs besides 18 and 80. It was fun.